Hey guys, it's Rob from Ultimate Diesel Tuning. Easter's only a few weeks away and I'm super excited. I've spoken to Dave from Setup Camp and he's organised for me to have an Opus camper for the weekend to take away with the family over Easter. So I'm super excited. Let's check it out, how we set one of these rigs up, because I've got no idea. Hey Dave.
Mate.
How are you?
Great, how are you?
Yeah, really good. Thanks for organising us to get the van and take it out for a run.
No worries, mate. We are stoked to have you out in it. So you need to know how to do it though. So.
Yeah, look, I've watched all your stuff on YouTube. It looks simple as.
It is.
And I think when you've got an off-road camper and you can do it as easy as that and set up, I'll be the envy of a campsite.
You will. You're gonna love it. Let's show you how to do it. Yeah.
Yep. Awesome.
All right, come with me. All right. So the OP4, this is our flagship, right? Yep. So it is the biggest one here, but it's also the easiest one to set up. So setting up's really simple. You can do this as well. So pull that out and lock it in at 90 degrees.
Yep. Just comes down.
Yep. So this comes down to here.
Yep.
Then you got your two little stabilizer legs. These are for the rear fold beds.
Yep.
Now all we're gonna
I've heard it's a king size bed.
Yes, it is, mate. Plenty of space for you.
Yep.
All right, so if you want to cut, I'll get you guys on that side. So if you open up the lids on the front, I'll open up this side. And then
the front one first?
the little latch.
Yep.
All right, so up and over you go. Now there's a little latch down here. Just going to lock that into place.
Easy. Yep.
Beautiful. Now we're going to do the rear lid. So just pull those ledges over there.
Just undo these, Dave.
So there's no weight to these, they're really easy.
Yeah, so what about with these arms? What do you do with them?
So all you're going to do is take this little pin out here, put those in, make them line up, and sit that pin back in it. It's the trickiest part of the whole setup.
Ah, it's easy.
Just those.
Yep.
All right, so I'll do this side. Now we're going to go around once these are in, and we're going to go and close off the valves.
Yep. And pull these down.
So pull these down over the edge.
Yep.
Beautiful. Right, now there are 5 valves. These two here, if you want to do those up, do up nice and tight.
Yep.
When you go away, you're going to have the annex attached as well.
That'll be awesome.
Pull that out of this time, and it's going to end up looking like that when you're done.
Yep.
All right, so once you're done, I'll go back around the other side again.
And just do you have to make sure these are pulled down?
Yeah, look, when you do the final setup, absolutely, you're going to cinch straps these underneath here. It just keeps them nice and tight in underneath there.
Yep.
Keeps the little critters out. You're done. You basically set your whole camper up. All you got to do now,
the exciting button.
is press the go button, that one there.
Yeah, awesome. Just you don't have to hold it down?
That's it, no, just press the button. That's it, you're done. You've done your whole setup.
This Easter we got away with 4 families to the Carnarvon Gorge, about 8 hours northwest of Brisbane. It's renowned for its obviously bushwalks and amazing scenery. On top of that, this year camping for me was made so much easier with the Opus OP4. It took me about 15 minutes to set this up and I did it in the dark, so I was just really surprised just how easy it was. Well, I want to say a big thanks to Dave from Setup Camp for flicking me the Opus OP4 to take out to Central Queensland. What an experience, and it was certainly made camping an absolute delight.